Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G42, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic screen rotation on this device. Firstly, you need to access the menu. Now look for Auto Rotate icon, and when you find it, just click on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that auto rotation is on, but you can always turn it off by choosing the same icon. If you want to, you can go into settings as well, scroll down and tap on display section. Then scroll down again and manage auto rotation by clicking on this switcher next to auto rotate screen. If it's blue, that means that auto rotation is on. You can turn it off though by choosing the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!